Imagine mo to, isang AI na kayang gumuhit ng kahit anong maisip mo. From a robot eating pizza in space to a cat wearing a barong. This is DALL-E, an AI created by OpenAI that turns your words into stunning images. Type mo lang ang idea mo tapos boom! In seconds, may original artwork ka na. Gamit ang advanced machine learning, naiintindihan ni DALL-E ang meaning ng mga words tapos ginagawang visuals na parang gawa ng pro artist. Pwede mong gamitin for concept art, designs, marketing, or just for fun. Plus, pwede mong i-edit gamit lang ang text prompts. Tanggalin mo background, palitan ng style, o magdagdag ng elements. Walang Photoshop skills needed. So kung gusto mong i-level up ang creativity mo, try mo si DALL-E, the AI that literally brings your imagination to life. Follow for more AI tools na magpapabilib sa'yo.